Hello, in this video I want to show you how to access battery in GoPro Hero 11. So to do this, you'll need to open the slot right here. It takes a bit of the force to open it, so just don't worry and try to pull it open. Like this. Now we can see the battery right here. It should have this paper or foil so that you can simply take it out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.